Hi, my name is Dr. Jasmine.
Hi, my name is Kaberi.
Hi, I'm Nadia.
And together, we can end
domestic violence.
Approximately 1 in 3 women will be subjected to some form of intimate domestic violence, based on WHO 2021 statistics.
In Q3 of 2022 alone, the Women's Aid Organization has recorded over 5,000 cases of domestic violence here in Malaysia.
Domestic violence is about control and power.
Domestic abuse can include physical violence, sexual violence, threats, emotional, and even financial abuse that can lead to anxiety, depression, and social isolation.
It is a pattern of violence, abuse, intimidation of a partner.
Why and who this happens to? Well, there's no typical victim.
Domestic abuse can happen to people of all ages, regardless of education level and income.
If this is happening to you, know that you're not alone.
If this is happening to you, know that you are not alone.
If this is happening to you, know that you are not alone. Talk to someone, a friend, relative, or someone who can listen.
Break the cycle.
Let's look out for one another and stand united.
Together, we can end domestic violence.